Japan says the economy will continue to improve. This despite the fact that the sales tax increase will cause a short-term drop in spending. The BOJ also left its monetary policy unchanged. Mike Fern is in Tokyo with more details. Hi, Mike.
Hi, Phil. Well, the bank's sticking with the loose monetary policy that it announced a year ago, keeping the benchmark rate near zero, expanding the monetary base by as much as $680 billion a year. It's also continuing to buy Japanese government bonds, corporate bonds, exchange-traded funds and real estate investment trusts at the same annual rate for the time being, at least. Now, policymakers say that the moderate recovery in Japan's economy is now an established trend. It's likely to continue even if the sales tax rise, which happened this month from 5% to 8%, causes a short-term dip in spending. But one economist says policymakers are being way too optimistic.
Bank of Japan is making underestimation of a negative impact from the sales tax hike. In our view, that the private consumption instead will tank from April onward, and it's not going. This negative downtrend is not going to stop after a few months.
The International Monetary Fund also expressing concern that Abenomics and the Three Arrows may have stalled now. It cut its forecast for Japan's annual growth down from 1.7 to 1.4% for this year, 1% in 2015, Phil.
What are the chances that the easing monetary policy in the coming months, and what perhaps are they expecting that to do?
Well, no real hints on when the bank will move again from Haruhiko Kuroda, the governor who gave a news conference yesterday after the policy announcement. A lot of economists, though, expecting action in coming months. Japan macro advisors saying that by June there may be enough evidence of a slide in consumer spending to persuade the bank to move.
I expect Bank of Japan to expand their ETF equity purchase. Bank of Japan should also increase government bond purchase. But most of all, Bank of Japan should strengthen its commitment to keep its easy monetary stance unchanged for years, similar to a forward guidance given by the Fed and the ECB.
The bank may ease monetary policy to help achieve its goal of 2% inflation by 2015. It says that for the near term, Phil, that price rises are going to average around 1.25%, but it still thinks that 2% goal is achievable.
Mike from Tokyo, thank you.